Using the dash on your Mercedes-Benz electric van is quite simple, but if you haven't been shown, then it could take some working out. So let's show you exactly how to use it and what the sections mean. Depending on the model of vehicle you have selected will dictate how you use it, because there are two different styles of dash. First up, the e-Sprinter and e-Vito, which have the same style dash. To change the screen units, there is a stalk within the dash that changes the view to what you as the driver want to see. Simply push the stalk in to change the view in order to get the key information from the vehicle. If you then wish to move up and down the settings of the vehicle, the second stalk on the right hand side will navigate you up and down through the options. Pushing in on the stalk will select the option you require. The e-Vito Tourer is slightly different, and if you are used to driving in a conventional diesel Mercedes-Benz van, then you'll be familiar with how to change the units. Simply use the up and down buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. This will then navigate you through the vehicle's information. The clusters in the vehicle are more or less the same as you'll be used to, with the indicators on the left and the transmission selection stalk on the right, with the parking brake as a button at the end of the lever.